Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make a big difference in the lives of our furry friends, the Carlson 39.5-inch indoor pet ramp. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Carlson 39.5-inch indoor pet ramp? This collapsible ramp is designed for both dogs and cats, providing a safe and convenient way for pets to access elevated surfaces like beds, couches, and chairs. If you have a pet that struggles with jumping or has joint issues, this ramp can be a game changer. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this ramp. First and foremost, it boasts a non-slip carpet surface. This means that your pet can confidently walk up and down the ramp without the fear of slipping. The carpeted tread provides a secure grip for their paws, which is especially important for older pets or those with mobility challenges. Additionally, the ramp is equipped with rubber feet that help stabilize it on hard floors, ensuring it stays put while your pet is using it and protecting your floors from scratches. Another impressive feature is its adjustable height. The ramp can be easily adjusted to heights of 12-inch, 16, 20, or 24. This versatility makes it suitable for a range of furniture, whether it's a low bed or a tall sofa. It can accommodate various needs, making it a great addition to homes with multiple pets or different types of furniture. What's more, the Carlson ramp is collapsible and portable. This is perfect for pet owners who like to travel or want an easy way to store the ramp when it's not in use. It folds flat, making it convenient to tuck away in a closet or the trunk of your car. Plus, it has built-in handles for easy carrying, so whether you're moving it around the house or taking it on vacation, it's simple to transport. As for the design, the ramp is constructed from a combination of wood and steel. This sturdy design ensures that it can support pets of various sizes, giving them the confidence they need to move around your home safely. It's particularly beneficial for pets that may be recovering from surgery or have arthritis, as it helps reduce the strain on their joints. Now, who is this ramp suitable for? It's ideal for pet owners with small to medium-sized dogs, older pets, or any cat that might need a little extra help getting to their favorite spots. If your pet is hesitant to jump or has shown signs of discomfort, this ramp is definitely worth considering. In practical use, you can place this ramp next to your bed so your pet can hop up to snuggle with you at night, or set it up by your couch to make it easier for them to join you during movie time. It's also perfect for helping pets get into vehicles, making road trips smoother and less stressful for both you and your furry companion. Overall, the Carlson 39.5-inch indoor pet ramp is a thoughtful solution for making life easier and safer for your pets. With its sturdy build, adjustable height, and non-slip surface, it's designed with your pet's